Gifts in a real estate transaction can be a fantastic tool for an aspiring homeowner to pull monies together for their purchase. You'll typically see two types of gifts: gifts of funds or monies, or a gift of equity. Now, gifts of funds is exactly as it sounds, where a donor is giving a monetary gift to a buyer to help with their down payment and or closing costs. A gift of equity is where when one family member sells a property to another family member at a discounted price, and the difference between the sales price and the higher appraised or market value of the home is considered the gift of equity and can be used towards the down payment. Both types of gifts are going to require documentation if you're getting a loan, and that's where we, the lender, come in with, of course, different roles. First and foremost is the requirement for a gift letter. A gift letter would need to be executed. That's something you'd get from us. It's going to state the donor's name, the amount of the gift, and the biggie is that they would state that there is no expectation of repayment. Now, with a gift of funds, there are going to be additional rules, program to program, agency to agency. For instance, typically a real estate gift funds have to be from a family member or a closely related person, such as a domestic partner, spouse. But certain agencies give a little bit of leeway to that. For instance, we currently have an FHA loan in process right now where the buyer's employer is giving him a $10,000 gift for the purchase of his home in lieu of a bonus this year. And he's also getting $7,000 from the seller towards closing costs. So his cash to close for the condominium is coming in under $6,000. It's fantastic. We had another last month where it was a first-time home buyer whose father gifted her the down payment and closing costs completely. So she actually, because she was purchasing a primary residence, had no monies of her own in the transaction. We just had to document the funds from her father. So different agencies are going to have different rules. If you're thinking of buying a home, or if you're a real estate professional and you're working with someone that you know is going to be getting a gift, highly recommend that you reach out so that before any money's moved, any plans are made, we can talk about the rules that might apply. And another interesting one, Freddie Mac, which is one of the agencies along with Fannie Mae that writes the rules for conventional non-government loans. Freddie Mac allows wedding gifts to be used from non-related persons. So if there are monies received at a wedding, and as long as they're documented within 90 days of the marriage certificate or marriage license, they can be used towards the down payment, towards the purchase. And they also allow graduation gifts for first-time buyers. So this is something else. If you've got a budding college graduate, something to think about is setting up a fund for donations, or gifts, I should say, towards their first home purchase. That's something else that can be used as well. In any case, if you have any questions at all about gift funds, please give us a shout. We'd be happy to talk.